Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Totally Pointless. This is TJ. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the prorogation trial that is in court right now. I just heard myself that the government is actually refusing to agree to the expedited hearing on the prorogation. Listen in.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. James Manson, constitutional lawyer, coming to you again. It's Tuesday, January 14th, and I'm just giving everybody another quick update about the prorogation challenge that we have now filed, as everybody's aware. When last we spoke, I think I reported to you all that we had had a case conference with the federal court, following which the Crown's lawyers had signaled that they would be advising us as of yesterday as to whether or not they would agree to an urgent hearing. I can now report to everybody that, in fact, we did hear from the Crown's attorneys yesterday, and unfortunately, the government did not consent to an urgent expedited hearing in this case. So, unfortunately, what that means is we're now going to have to proceed to a motion, a formal motion, and that will have to be determined by the case management judge in this case, and his name is Associate Judge Horn. And yeah, Associate Judge Horn, as I understand, will receive the Crown's response to our motion materials by Thursday, so 2 days from now, by noon. So, following that, there will be a decision rendered by the court in terms of whether or not this case is urgent and ought to be expedited. So, if we're successful and the case is determined to be urgent by the court, then we will probably convene another case conference fairly soon to set a timetable for the hearing of the matter, up to the actual hearing day. That would include, exchanging of materials and things like that. If, on the other hand, the court finds that the case is not urgent and does not need to be heard on an expedited basis, then we would probably also call a case conference just to sort out what happens next when everybody should get their deadlines for submission of materials, things like that. At that point, it would not be on an expedited basis, so we would probably not be looking at a hearing before the resumption of Parliament in March 24th. So naturally, we hope that the court will agree with our position and grant an expedited hearing. So that's where the matter stands. We haven't yet seen the Crown's response to the expedited motion that we have submitted. So that should happen, as I say, by Thursday. So that's it. That's where we stand at the moment. There is nothing else to report. So um, that's all from me. But stay tuned for further developments.
I guess for a lot of us, when it comes to the government, no surprise there. It's not the positive news that we wanted to hear, but fingers crossed that the judge will see it in a different way. Like, comment, and share, and I'll keep you guys updated as soon as I hear it, okay?